Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Outlook tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off Outlook notifications. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Outlook and find myself here on my mailbox. From here I click on File in the top left corner and go to Options. I switch to the Mail menu and find the appropriate options in the Message Arrival section. First of all I can turn off sound notifications. I can set whether my mouse pointer changes briefly when I receive an email. But this is a setting that nobody actually uses. The third point is a system tray in the taskbar. This is the little yellow envelope that you see when there's a new message. We can also switch this off. And last but not least, we can specify whether I want to receive a message on my desktop. If we switch all this off, I no longer receive any notifications about mails in Outlook. In the last step, we click on OK and we are done. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.